okay, my question is this guy somebody that lives in Steve's house? I'll show you what happened. You can see him entering right here. And notice that Steve's dogs aren't really reacting. They're not going crazy like they go if one, if one of us goes over there. Anyway, he's going in Grandma's garage. And he's in there for about 4 minutes. You'll hold on. And 4 minutes later, as you can see by the clock, and keep in mind this clock is like 11 minutes fast, so this is like 4:30 actually. Anyway, you can see him coming out of the garage. And again, Steve's dogs really aren't reacting to him. That's why Dan really didn't hear any barking or anything as far as I know. So anyway, goes back towards the way he came, but then changes his mind and decides to come and see if there's any other way of getting into the main house, I guess. He's got his phone there. He's probably took pictures of everything inside there. Probably used it for a flashlight. Now he's taking pictures outside the house. And he comes over here, and then he spots Dan and waves at her. She's over here right now. And he kind of walks in between the houses, and Dan, goes over and tries to investigate. Which you'll see video of him between the house in a minute. That's where I got that picture. So, and you'll see him emerge from back between the houses. He basically is telling Dan he has the right to be over there. That's what she said. And he walks off back towards how he got in to begin with, since that's the only way he knows to get out. And still, Steve's dogs really aren't going ape shit. They're pretty calm. And then you can see when he's between the houses. Note, this is actually 4:31 right now. So, okay. This is the front camera, and this just happens minutes later, 4:34. He's walking down there casually. That's after probably just leaving Grandma's house, I would assume. And then you see him going the other way a second later. So then, of course, Dan was out there kind of confused a little bit later, thinking about calling the cops. And eventually we do end up calling the cops, and it takes them a long time to get there, since they had a murder going on or something. So now I wonder too, if this guy is same guy that stole Dan's trash can last June. Which is a city trash can, but still, she was pissed off about it. here in the action, you know, two of them. This guy does look a lot like that guy, but it's hard to tell. And he's out there, you know, points at the front camera. Here in a second. See, he's pointing at the camera on the front of the house, trying to figure out which trash can to take. The whole reason I bring this up is just to wonder if these are the same guys. So that guy definitely was associated with Steve. So, in fact, I think they still got her trash can down there. It looks a lot like the same guy. And again, it's the same camera, so you know, it's kind of a basis of comparison. Well, this happened in June, you know, 2022. But at any rate, you know, just kind of curious.